Here's how you can add power button to navigation bar. On the home screen, tap on Play Store. And in here, you want to look for the app called Good Lock. Then tap on Install button. After that, tap on Open. Here, tap on Agree and Continued. Now go down and tap on Navstar. And we want to download this module. So I'll turn it on. And then we go down and tap on New Configuration. Next, we tap on Button Layout. And then tap on Add Button. Choose Power Button here, or the screen off. Now you can move the power button or the screen off by simply touch and hold and drag it to the left or to the right. Then tap on Done. And that's it. Now at the bottom here, you can see there is a power button. You can touch and hold on the power button. This will open up the power menu, or you can simply just tap on it to lock the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.